Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Coinbase account. To log into your existing account for Coinbase is a super easy process. So first of all, you'll need to open a web browser of your preference. Go to the URL box at the top and type in coinbase.com and search. You will now end up in the official website for Coinbase. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click the sign in button. In the sign in area, type in your email address associated with your Coinbase account. You can also use other options to log in. At the bottom of the screen, after typing in the email, click continue. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter your account's password. If you don't remember your password, click the forgot password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Make sure you type in your password correct in the text box provided if you remember your password well. And finally click on continue. Now enter the two-step verification code that will be sent to you via email or your SMS. Enter the verification code in the text box correct. Soon after you verify your email, you will be able to sign into your Coinbase account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.